You know I'm in Miami right now. This is the Miami section of Swervo. It's the LA section.
Good evening, guys. The Fly Guy 98 here. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to tint some taillights on a Honda Accord 2010. Currently, I have tints on it. I'm not going to do the front of the car because I don't want to get, have it too dark or anything. I'm going to do the rear. Pretty much cleaned off from whatever I had on it. I'm going to do a light smoke. It's all my film for window tinting, but here's my boy. He's going to be doing it. We're using, what is it, Vivid? Light smoke. You going to start on this side? Alright. Then I'm going to give a nice little setup right here. So before you guys even do anything with the light, you guys got to clean it with either soap and water or alcohol and water mixed. Take off any of the dirt, because you want the type of film to stick on there and not be able to slip off or peel easily. So he prepped this one and now he's peeling it. This is Vivid's air release type film, so there's no water necessary. The main things needed is just literally a squeegee and a heat gun. And it lays on there pretty nice. If you could, I don't know if you guys could see it, but if you could tell, there's like a honeycomb type of texture on the opposite side. And what that is how it releases the air without no water needed. Kind of like how window film, when you need water to apply it. You need the tool, don't you? Right? Yeah. The main tools you need is possibly a triangle and a turbo or a soft squeegee. We're pretty much just using the tools that I use for window tinting because it's pretty much the same process. He's heating it up so he could stretch it over this sharp corner that we have over here. And the goal when it comes to this glass, because you're not using water or anything, you kind of want to glass as much as the film as you can over the tail light, which means stretching it from each direction to take out all this tension, which is here. And then it kind of gives you like a smooth surface to just lay down and squeegee. You can see how when he squeegees it, it doesn't want to crinkle or it's not going to crease, kind of like how window film is. If any of you DIY people do your own cars or do your own headlights or taillights and you run into some issues because of not enough water. Is that olive? To bring Honda Accord.
Yeah.
But you see how pretty much almost all of it just lays down pretty much flat. There's like a few little bubbles right here, but they're about to come right out, and all it takes is just some elbow grease and that's pretty much it. So while we lay down the rest of it, I'm going to give you guys a little break and then we'll show you how to cut it. You pretty much just glass the whole thing over the light, and now there's like literally no work to be done other than squeegeeing it out.
They send you guys the pieces already?
You gotta shrink that or pull that out. Huh?
The pieces that they sent yesterday, they sent them?
Oh no, he's still getting them in the mail.
No, it's gonna take a minute till I get those.
finishing touch of the light. Me and him did it with some teamwork. The only difficult parts were really this curve right here, this curve section, some of these corners, and trying to lay it down all over here. But I managed to get it done just with my finger and the squeegee. I forgot to record the cut and the tracing of it, but we're gonna do it on this one. You can see a kind of a difference from this side to this side, and I'll record the next light for you guys. Let's get it. So, you never want to cut on the car, so you just kind of pick up the film and barely put the point of the blade in, and you drop it like that. That's what I'm playing. And then you'll see some parts stick up, but it's not going to be a whole lot. Cut any excess off, and you could either use the type of squeegee you have or a triangle and get really inside the crack. What you're going to want to do to make sure that the film lays down in the crevice, if you want to come closer, you're going to end up heating up all the bottom side, and it's going to crease in like that. You see, it kind of does like a little move. And then you just tuck it and it lays down pretty nice. They don't even know I'm feeling pain. They don't know how I feel inside. Traumatized, criminalized, but get them out of lives. I swear to God, sometimes I wonder why. They got me brainwashed, luring off the same block. Remember I had the same rock. Remember I let them things pop. Then I just want to read my son. And all the curve, there's no bubbles up here, nothing like that. Sometimes I don't be wanting to hear that. Are you overheating it? Or is that in the light? Back tail lights right now. Here's a final look at it. From before, I'll try to get a little clip or a picture added in there of before and after, but this is how the end pretty much looks. It's already a black on black Honda Accord 2010. I already deleted most of the chrome. I messed up a few spots, but it's majority deleted. Yeah, this is how the front looks. Everything laid down pretty nice.